So we'll put the goal of $100,000 in 12 months up on the board. If you've got your own goals, let me know below in the comments. And we're going to aim to do that on a channel that's getting just 500,000 views in that time. So that's around 41,000 views per month, or 10,000 views on average per week. So the first thing we need to look at is the obvious way we're going to be making money on YouTube, and it's the way of making money that I hate. It's YouTube ad revenue. On average, channels make around $4 per 1,000 views that they get on their channel. So if our channel is getting 500,000 views in 12 months, it's only going to make $2,000 from all of those views across that 12-month period. So clearly relying just on YouTube ad revenue is a fool's idea if we're trying to go full-time and get $100,000 in 1 year. We need to look at other ways this channel can make money in addition to the $2,000 it's made from ad revenue, which we're going to do now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do with this channel to really get towards that $100,000 in those 12 months is I'm going to use one video a month, so around 10,000 views of those 40,000 views I'm getting per month. I'm going to dedicate one video per month to brand deals. So how this is going to work is I'm going to make sure my channel has a clearly defined topic that I'm talking about. Because if I have a clearly defined topic, I'm attracting a clearly defined audience. So for example, if I'm having a YouTube channel that talks about football, I know that my viewers are football fans. So clearly knowing who my viewers are, I'm going to make a list of any companies that want to make customers from my viewers. So I'm going to make a list of these companies. I'm going to approach them on LinkedIn and say, hey, I can get your product in front of 10,000 of your target customers every month. All I want is $500 per month. Let's sign a 12-month deal here and now. And just like that, I've added an additional $6,000 to my channel from just making one video a month dedicated to a brand. This is just a quick example of how moving past thinking about just ad revenue and exploring other ways of making money, we're really making a dent and adding a lot more additional cash into our pockets as YouTubers. Right, to build on the $8,000 we're currently making in 2022 with our channel, next, I'm going to dedicate 2 of the remaining 3 videos per month that our channel has left to this method that's going to make us the most amount of money in this exercise. So this method I'm going to use now is I'm going to start earning commissions by encouraging my viewers to buy products that exist on the internet. I'm going to find products that every time one of my viewers buys it, that product pays me a $10 commission. I'm going to aim to send a modest 0.5% of my viewers to become customers. So of those 20,000 viewers I'm using for this method each month, 100 people are going to become customers, which is going to make me 100 people times $10, $1,000 of commission in month 1. And you might be thinking, that's great. Do that over 12 months. That's 12 times $1,000. You've made $12,000, but that's still not really getting you any closer to the total $100,000 that we're aiming for. True, but there's an extra level of sophistication here that I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to be sending my viewers to products that pay me recurring commissions every month. So in month 1, those 100 people are going to earn me $1,000. And in month 2, that original 100 people are going to make me another $1,000 in month 2. But a complete, fresh, new 100 people that I make customers in month 2 are going to make me a second $1,000 in month 2. So I've now made $1,000 in month 1, $2,000 in month 2. In month 3, I'll make $3,000 by making another 100 people customers. And when you compound that over 12 months, it's actually going to earn you $78,000. So now we're talking real money. And we're getting that real money because we started to think of our content as a business rather than a hobby, and we're exploring real, genuine, lucrative money-making options. So we've now reached a running total of $86,000, if I've done the maths right, in the year of 2022 with our channel by using 3 of the 4 videos per month wisely, driving recurring commissions and brand deals on top of the ad revenue that we would have made anyway. Let's see how we can use the remaining views that we have from that 500,000 views per year to squeeze out the last bit of money that we need. By the way, if you're really enjoying learning about like these revenue streams that you can add into your channel, how you can run your channel like a business, make sure to sign up to my free newsletter using the link in the description to this video, where I drill into this stuff in way more detail really regularly. So we've got one video left per month. That's 10,000 views per month left to make up the $14,000 more that we need to hit that $100,000. And to explain how we're going to get there with our channel, I'm going to tell you something I've done with my channel recently, which is the method we're going to use here. So starting 2022, I decided I wanted to hand teach, like one-to-one teach 10 YouTubers how to become full-time throughout the period of 2022. And I started introducing that service to my viewers this month. And in this month alone, I got 3 YouTubers sign up for my coaching, and I made $3,500 extra on top of what I normally make through my channel. And that's the final method we're going to use for our example channel. It's selling our own high-priced products. If our example channel, from its remaining 10,000 views it's getting per month, if we can drive 2 sales from those 10,000 views, which is tiny, 2 sales of a $1,000 product that we built for our channel, that's an extra $2,000 per month, $24,000 per year that our channel is now making. That extra $24,000 that we've added on to our channel's 2022 earnings shows that you don't need to go viral on YouTube to become a full-time YouTuber when you're operating your channel like a business. When we add the $24,000 that we've just made to the $86,000 that we'd already generated in 2022, our channel is now making $110,000 in the 12 months of 2022. And that just shows you that you can go full-time on YouTube with low views. I actually went full-time on YouTube with just 13,000 subscribers. This video right here tells you exactly how I personally did it. So watch that video next for a breakdown of the methods I use. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more about what I've learned about being a full-time YouTuber.